Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have something truly special to talk about: silver serving trays. This elegant piece can add a touch of sophistication to any dining experience. In this video we will explore the beauty and versatility of silver serving trays and how you can make the most of them in your own home. So let's dive right in. Silver serving trays come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, but they all share one thing in common: their undeniable charm. These trays are typically made of high-quality silver and silver plates metal, giving them a lustrous and timeless appeal. One of the main purposes of the silver serving trays is to elevate the presentation of food. Whether you are hosting a formal dinner party or simply serving breakfast in bed, placing your dishes on a silver tray instantly adds an elegance and sophistication to the table. The versatility of silver serving trays is truly remarkable. You can use them for serving appetizers, desserts, drinks, or even as a decorative centerpiece. The reflective surface of these trays beautifully showcases the color and textures of the food, making it even more appetizing. Another fantastic feature of silver serving trays is their ability to keep food and drinks cool or warm. Some trays come with built-in insulation or have space for ice cubes, allowing you to serve chilled beverages or keep hot dishes warm for a longer time. Now let's talk about maintenance. Like any silverware, silver serving trays require proper care to maintain their shine and prevent tarnish. After each use, it is important to wash the tray with mild soap and warm water. Gently pat it dry and store it in the tarnish-resistant cloth or bag. Regular polish will also help restore its original luster. And there you have it. The beauty and versatility of silver serving trays. Whether you are hosting a formal gathering or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your everyday meal, these trays are a must-have. So why give them a try? Your guest will surely be impressed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more inspiring content.